Listen up. Private Martin, you're on the obstacle course and doing weapons training today.
Call of Duty gameplay.
Before starting the obstacle course, read each of these important signs. Do what they tell you. Good. Now check your objectives. You'll notice that your current objective is highlighted. In addition, the location of your current objective is marked by the star on your compass. As you approach your current objective, the star will move toward the center of your compass. Approach your current objective. That's it. Close enough. You will notice that objective is checked off and you now have a new one. All right, Martin. Open the gate.
Good to see you.
Move it, ladies. This is not your Aunt Fanny's dance. Jump over them. Come on, Elder. Get the lead out. Not bad. Now hit the dirt and crawl forward under the barbed wire.
And first...
Sergeant, fire up those machine guns. Those are 5 rounds, boys. Stay low. Stay down. Climb these ladders, Private. Let's go. Let's go. Private Martin, proceed through that door. Sergeant Moody's going to take you through weapons
training. Eyes up,
training.
Private. I'm up here in the observation tower. Grab one of those M1A1 carbines from the table. To get more ammo, grab it from any loose weapon of the same type you are carrying. Approach the fence and fire 6 rounds at your target. Fire 6 more rounds at your target in different stances and while moving. You will be more accurate while not moving and in the prone position. These skills could mean your life. All right, Private, move on to the next area. Grab up a Springfield rifle from the table, switching it for your carbine. Turn to the left, move to the fence, and fire 2 rounds at your target. Now fire 2 rounds at your target while aiming down your sight. All right, I hope it's clear to you that you will be more accurate while aiming down the sight. All right, Private, move on to the next area. Unless you've got 3 hands, you can only carry 2 weapons. Take a few steps while aiming down your sight. You're gonna move forward this way. You can hit your enemy with the butt end of your weapon. This is called a melee attack. Try it with your Thompson. Don't screw around, kid. This is for real. Now switch weapons. Unless you're as dumb as you are ugly, each weapon is good for different situations. Make the wrong choice and you could buy the farm. Outstanding, Private. Proceed to the next area. Throw a grenade into each of the openings before you. Rock and fire! Move behind the concrete pillar. Lean out to the left, then the right. This will help protect you from the enemy. Move on to the next area. Remember, Private, if you get hurt, grab one of those health kits and use it. Don't be a hero. They will save your life. That's a lot of firepower there. Treat it with respect. That stuff doesn't care what it blows up. Note that a stopwatch has appeared. This will tell you how much time you have to get your butt out of there unless you want it blown off.
I to je to, vidimo se u sljedećoj. To je to, pozdrav, to je od Srbije 90. I to je sve za danas, ovo je bila prva epizoda i